Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, residents of the wonderful town of Spring Lake. We're live coming to you from the EOC right here in the town hall of Spring Lake. And we want to report that considering the weather conditions, that all is well in Spring Lake. A few things to report to you. One is Odell Road is clear so far. Traffic in the town is light, and there are no reported power outages. There are several stores and businesses have been closed because of the flood, and we do have several more hours of rain and wind. The river is standing at about 8.15 feet, well below the 18 feet of flood, the flood stage. Town offices will be closed on tomorrow. The fire department and police department are fully staffed, and they're here to support us in everything that we do. We also ask that you tune into your TV and radio stations for live weather updates and timely updates. And as always, you may also call the switchboard at 436-0241. We anticipate coming to you again live tomorrow morning about 8 o'clock for any more updates. But in the meantime, we ask that you continue to be safe and take care of yourselves, your pets, and your loved ones. And we're signing off.